Hi everyone, this is Kayo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad gawa natin ito reaction video. Ang full interview talaga ito ng When in Manila. Ang ganda kasi ng mga interview nila sa TikTok. So gawa natin ng reaction video and panoorin natin to. Mami, busy ako ngayong araw, Mami. Busy ako ngayong araw. Sa totoo lang sa kakagawa ng reaction video. Ang hirap maghabol. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Ay, ano to? Anong chika dito? Anong chika dito, ma'am?
Thank you.
Ay.
So, let's start with the story of My Love Will Make It Disappear. Ano yung reactions niyo when you first read it or when it was first pitched to you?
Ay, si Paolo yung pinuna niya. Bakit ganyan yung mga tinginan mo, Kim?
Finishing the script, I don't know, it just made me smile afterwards. It's,
Ay.
para siyang good vibes yung movie, and but then again, parang may puso.
Ah, may puso.
Ako
Ginamitan ng
naman,
puso.
when I
Charis!
first read the script,
Ah.
para siyang, kinakausap niya ako as a 30s woman. As
30s.
a girl na may maraming sentiments on her 30s. So parang it tackles about love, being afraid to fall in love, just like me. So parang yung role na to is really close to my heart. So parang gusto ko din maging voice ng mga babaeng
Oh.
magmahal ulit.
And how comfortable was it to, how easy was it to get comfortable in your characters?
Ay, gusto ko to.
Ako kasi pag nag-aaral ako ng isang character, parang nire-relate ko siya kahit konti sa personal life ko. Para hindi siya ganun ka-iba. Para it's
Actually, yung story nga niya, no? Parang ano talaga?
Para kahit paano relatable siya at the same time.
Mm-mm.
Ako naman, it's the other way. So it was a process. I had to discuss a lot of things with the creatives, but also with our directors, and first study the script as rigorously as possible. Pero ayun naman, parang that's all to ensure na once we start, everything's more flowing.
Was your chemistry here different than your previous projects? Did it feel na parang evolve siya?
Chemistry, actually hindi naman namin pinag-uusapan.
Ay, so natural talaga pala rin, no? Actually, yung galawan nila natural talaga. Sa totoo lang, natural talaga.
Gumawa ng magic sa amin on screen.
Natural talaga.
Walang namin yung...
Natural talaga, oo.
Yeah, we try to make things work as much as we can, but I think the magic of parang
Ano?
chemistry of actors.
Chemistry of actors, actually.
I think it's meant.
Mapapakanta ka na lang talaga ng bakit di na lang totohanin ang lahat.
Nagsasabi. Kasi parang hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko i-explain if it doesn't come from them.
Right. And of course, this is like your first big screen debut. Anong feeling nun?
Kinakabahan na, syempre, from today, 2 weeks na lang, ipapalabas na to sa big screen. Not just here in the Philippines, but worldwide. So, we're very excited, very nervous, and very happy as well. Kasi maganda talaga yung movie.
Talaga ba? Excited na ako.
Where outside of the Philippines siya ipapalabas?
Well, currently we have
34.
last I found out 34, but I think nanganganak pa siya. So,
Grabe.
dagdagan.
I love it.
I love it.
Congratulations in
Thank
advance.
you.
I'm so excited to watch it. But how was it like working with the
Perfect.
rest of the cast? So I see that it's kasama si Miss Wilma doesn't. Nakikita ko si Miss Rufa making to may appearance
Oh.
in here.
Andito din si Rufa May?
It was fun to work with them. Definitely learned a lot. And
Andito din pala si Rufa May?
that we built on set is actually is very true to if your viewers have seen the trailer. Tahanan Homes, it's like a community. It
Tahanan.
represents, for me, I think it represents like us Filipinos and how we are with our families, with our community, with our environment, mga kababae natin,
Oh.
kabarangay natin. So parang ganun talaga yung naging rapport namin sa set.
Kami naman, mapapanood mo dito yung sense of community.
Sense of community. I love that.
Tatak Star Cinema talaga yung movie na to na meron.
Tatak sis.
Meron kang friends, meron
Sa gawa ng
kang
Star
families,
Cinema.
kahit hindi mo
Awit.
kamag-anak kadugo, pero pamilya sila. And isa sa mga exciting part dito is yung narrator namin ay isang guinea pig. Na si Cookie
Si Melay.
yung pangalan. Na,
Excited ako. Parang ang ganda kasi ng narrator naman. Yung pagka-narrate ni ano.
Melay Cativero. So, it's a fun movie and ano siya, I hope everyone gets to watch this inside the theater para magkaroon ng
Ang ganda kasi ng pagka-narrate ni Melay, di ba? At may ads pa talaga, di ba? Go.
communal experience yung tinatawag, yung sabay-sabay tatawa, sabay-sabay may experience kung ano yung mapapanood nila sa big
Mm-mm.
screen.
Right. Iba yung feeling, no, when you're watching a film, tapos yung mga
Yes.
kasama mo, narinig mo na tumatawa.
Yes, so matatawa ka na lang din. So feel good siya for 2 hours. Kaysa mag-isa ka manood sa ano, kung saan ka man. Ito, kahit di mo kakilala, kasabay mo silang tatawa at kikilig.
I love it. Is there any like fun and memorable like moment or scene from the movie na walang, no spoilers, na share niyo?
Ako siguro, isa sa mga funny moments ko is yung nag-blow ako ng cake. Nagulat yung guinea pig, nawala siya. Kasi nag-stop talaga kami kasi nawawala siya. Yung pag-blow ko talaga, as in super blow kasi
Yung pag-blow ko talaga.
Ako lang yung parang nagsiselebrate ng birthday.
Blow kung blow.
Wala akong bisita, kaya so na-blow ko, nawala si Cookie. Yung guinea pig, tumakbo siya, natakot siya sa blow ng
Okay.
candle. So yun lang, natawa ko.
So pag nawala yun, paano naman hinanap nila? Ganun ba yun?
Memorable for me. Well, aside from the guinea pig, siguro yung
Tingnan mo si Paolo.
tingin sa akin ni Sari.
Ay! Mga taga ni Sally?
Played by Kim.
Ay!
Parang ano na, it's different.
Parang
For me,
different
it was
na.
the rain scenes. Because,
Parang different ang tinginan. Ganun ba yun, Mel? Gaano ka ano?
yung mga hindi
Diyos
masyadong
ko, mami. Ang busy ko, mami.
mahirap magtrabaho when it's rain and you have to bring out emotions and you have to do it all over and over. And parang, yun, we usually parang just shiver afterwards.
Mm-mm.
Okay. It's parang very exciting na yung film. I'm sure a lot of people, especially your fans, are looking forward to watching it. Ano masabi niyo pala sa love and support that your individual fans and fans of your love team have been throwing your way?
We're very grateful. Sobrang swerte
Mm-mm.
namin na ganyan sila magmahal sa amin. Kasi parang hindi naman din siya biro in this day and age. Yung time, support, and then financially, di ba parang
Financially,
ang
true.
daming aspects na pwede nilang ibigay na lang sa sarili nila, pero binibigay nila sa amin. So, may sobra pa silang pagmamahal na pwedeng ibigay sa iba. And
That's-
kami ni Pao. So, we're very grateful. And with this movie, regalo talaga namin to para sa kanila. I'm sure magiging masaya sila after they watch this film.
Ako, similar with Kim, we're very grateful. And, the effort, the effort they put in to promote the movies, I think above and beyond what any celebrity or actors anywhere in the world could expect. Because they really go out of their way to promote the movie. They have posters on their gates, pinapasama sa mga tricycle, pinapapapintuan.
It's a tricycle. I love that. Gusto ko makakita ng ganyan.
Mga
So it's,
fan,
eh,
ibigay sila ng mga fan.
so it's
Aww. Parang bayanihan pala ang nangyari.
effort they give is really well, for me, it's the first time I've experienced it.
Talaga?
Actually,
Di mo kaya, Paulo,
very
ang Kim
grateful
Pao.
to the Philippines, people would support
Kaya sabi nga ni Kim, huwag ka na tumalikod. Gets ko na yun kung ano pala yun.
the way they do.
Gets ko.
Last question na lang about the movie.
Ay, bakit last question na?
Your characters, having known what they went through sa story, anong message niyo sa kanila? Anong mapapayo niyo?
Mm-mm.
Best friend kami ni Sari. Naku, sabihin ko kay Sari, pagdaanan mo lang yan, girl.
Mm-mm.
So parang takot kasi siya magmahal.
Ay.
So advice ko sa kanya, huwag siya laging matakot. Tsaka sasamahan ko na lang siya lagi pag nag-birthday siya. Kasi wala siya kasama eh.
Mm-mm.
في مليون
Ganun
طريقة
ba yun?
نقدر
Bakit may
نحاول
ads pa?
فيا جمال اللحظة اللي
Nabitin
تسوى
ako.
مليون لحظة.
Nabitin ako.
Pinalabas ba yun sa trailer? Pinalabas ba yun?
Konti lang
Ang
naman.
dami ng nilabas sa trailer. Dalawa ng trailer natin.
Yun lang,
Kwento mo pa yung mga
birthday.
hindi pinalabas.
Mm.
Ako yung advice ko kay Cholo is
Panis.
wait lang. Good things are coming your way.
Yes. Wow.
So, yun ang best friend na ng Prince.
Sila na yun.
Kaya ba talaga dapat,
So,
Mel?
mag-short mini-game lang tayo ng
Ay, may game sila. I love
Would
it.
you rather mag-disappear ang favorite food mo or yung favorite song?
Ah, ito yun. Napanood na natin yun.
Favorite song?
Favorite song?
Favorite song.
You like your favorite food too much.
Yes.
It's
Parang
one of
mas
the best things
food.
that life can offer.
Ay.
It's food.
Ang dami mong chika pa, wa.
Would you rather mag-disappear ang eyesight mo or lahat ng memories mo?
Mahirap.
Ayan.
Grabe. Ayoko pa naman mabulag.
Kasi hindi mo na makikita.
Ay. Pasimple lang si Paulo. Para-paraan lang din si Paulo, no?
Yeah.
In fairness.
Memory na lang kaysa eyesight. Kasi gusto ko pa rin makita yung mundo than my memories.
Ako siguro, for me, I think it would be my eyesight. Kasi parang nakita ko naman na lahat ng gusto kong makita sa mundo. So,
Ay,
Ako na lang
para-paraan
ang
talaga si
magiging
Paulo.
Ikaw na lang ang magiging memory.
Para-paraan talaga si Paulo.
Love it. So, would you rather mag-disappear lahat ng sapatos mo or lahat ng bags mo?
Shoes. I love bags. Hindi
I love
wala?
bags.
House of Little Bag.
ako, I don't mind mawala pareho.
Ay,
Wala siya makialam. Basta may memory siya.
may memory.
Would you rather mag-disappear ang wifi sa bahay or kuryente sa bahay?
Mag-disappear yung kuryente na lang.
For me, Wi-Fi. Kasi worst comes to worst, you can go data.
Ay, oo.
Masyadong
pala. Masyadong mainit dito.
Charot. Would you rather mag-disappear ang kilay mo or buhok mo sa ulo?
Kilay na lang. Kasi pwede,
Patato.
maliit lang yung kay
Pwede
kilayan.
patato.
Tsaka pwede pa mag-microblading. Kaysa buhok ang hirap.
May kubindi.
Rin, kilay na.
When Kilay is live for today's
Would you rather
video.
mag-disappear ang birthday mo or yung favorite holiday mo?
Favorite ko kasi yung birthday ko eh. Paano ba yan? Birthday ko, favorite holiday. Holiday. Yung holiday na lang. Kasi favorite ko birthday ko. Gusto ko talaga yung araw na pinanganak ako.
Ako, I don't mind using both.
Hoy?
Grabe ka naman. Dapat yung birthday mo, yung
Kasi
matira.
parang araw-araw ko rin naman birthday.
Bakit?
Kasi,
Oh. Would you rather mag-disappear ang kakayahan mong umibig or ang kakayahan mong magsalita?
Mag-disappear na lang yung kakayahan ko magsalita. Para nakaka-give pa rin naman ako ng love through actions and mata-mata.
ako rin, I'd rather disappear yung kakayahan ko magsalita kasi parang walang, I don't think, parang there wouldn't be no warmth and no kindness without love.
Yes, kailangan talaga natin ng love. Love is all that matters.
Love is all that matters.
Keeping us together. Love is all we need.
Pinatapos. Ayan.
Kinanta. Ay, tapos na. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The full interview in, what do you call this? When in Manila. Dear, napansin nyo ba? Si Paulo, para-paraan siya. Like, seriously, para-paraan talaga si Paulo dito. Parang hindi mo talaga magpakikailan. Parang ano ba? Parang ngayon ko lang to. Parang hindi naman ganito dahil si Paulo Ang laki talaga na pinagbago ni Paulo. Sa totoo lang. This is KG Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!